Typical British government. They haven't even bothered to hire people 7 days a week to lock and unlock this entrance. This platform's open but the other one's closed. It's like there's an express train that's not stopping here. There are people on it and it's going through, and there's a train shot to this platform. Never seen this on the tube before. Just passing through. They do have to slow down to 5 miles an hour, then accelerate again. And the station's closed for some reason. So it might mean to just not disrupt the timetable. Or it might be safety, I don't know. There's another train the other way. They have old signs with the Metropolitan Railway's version of the roundel, which had a diamond shape. Passing through the other platform without stopping. Never seen this before. And it's got passengers on it. So many trains here. They train like literally every minute. That train's already going pretty slowly. When it's too dark to see the door in the middle of the driver's cab, it seems to look like the S-stop. It kind of seems to look like a scene in Cesaro City. Something along those lines. Very unusual. It's passing through, it's not stopping. They did this all there to slow down to 5 miles an hour, then speed up again, and the station's closed. My train's now arriving. Now it's pulling away. Pulling away, it did not stop, but this train did.
Moorgate.
I've never seen that on the tube before.